Have you ever wondered why you feel tired, unfocused, or just not your best, even when you think you're living healthy? The truth is, some of the most damaging habits are the ones we don't even notice. In today's video, I'll share 5 everyday habits that could be quietly harming your health and simple changes to fix them. Welcome back to EchoCraft Health and Wellness. Every week, we bring you simple, science-backed tips to live stronger, healthier, and happier. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Habit number 1 is skipping breakfast. It might feel harmless. After all, who hasn't rushed out the door with just coffee? But skipping breakfast has been linked to heart disease and overeating later in the day. Think of your body like a smartphone. Without charging in the morning, you're running on low battery all day. Even something quick, like oats with fruit or a boiled egg, keeps you charged. Habit number 2 is spending too much time on screens at night. We all do it, scrolling one more video before bed. But the blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That means poor sleep, weaker immunity, and even weight gain. Try swapping the late night scroll for a book or dimming your room 30 minutes before sleep. Your body will thank you. Habit number 3 is sitting for too long. Our bodies weren't designed to sit all day, yet modern life makes us do it for hours. The American Heart Association even calls sitting the new smoking because of how it damages the body. The fix is simple. Stand, stretch, or walk for just a few minutes each hour. Tiny breaks, big results. Habit number 4 is not drinking enough water. You might not notice it, but dehydration shows up as fatigue, headaches, or poor focus. Think of water as oil for your engine. Without it, your body simply can't run smoothly. Aim for 6 to 8 cups daily and keep a bottle near you as a reminder. Habit number 5 is relying on processed foods. Yes, they're fast and tasty, but most are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and salt. Over time, that convenience adds up to heart problems and high blood pressure. The good news? You don't have to cut everything at once. Just swap one snack a day for fruit, nuts, or whole grains. Small swaps, big wins. So let's recap. Skipping breakfast, too much screen time, sitting too long, not drinking enough water, and eating too many processed foods. They may feel small, but over time they quietly damage your health. The good news? You can start fixing them today, one step at a time. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly videos that can transform your health. And share this with a friend, because small changes can make a big difference. Next week, I'll be sharing habits you think are healthy, but may actually harm you. You don't want to miss this one.